Hello dear student, welcome in my new video. In today's video, we will discuss about NCERT class 9, the midpoint theorem from quadrilateral chapter. So here is a theorem. It says that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So we have a triangle. Let's draw a triangle. Triangle ABC. E and F are the midpoints of sides AB and AC of triangle ABC respectively. Join E to F. E and F. We have to prove that EF parallel to third side, that is BC. EF parallel to third side, that is BC. We write given. Let a triangle ABC E and F are the midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively. Join E to F. Student, we have to prove that EF parallel to BC. EF parallel to BC. For this, we do some construction. Draw a line parallel to AB through C. It is a line parallel to AB through C. Produce EF which intersect that line at D. Construction. Draw a line parallel to AB through C produced EF which intersects it at D. Student, we have to prove EF parallel to BC. For this, we have to prove that BCDE is a parallelogram. BCDE is a parallelogram. Let's prove it. Take two triangles, triangle AEF and triangle CDF. Here is a triangle AEF and triangle CDF. Guys, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD and AC is a transversal line. So angle 1 equal to angle 2. Alternate interior angle. Angle 3 equal angle 4. Vertically opposite angle. And AF equal CF because F is the midpoint of AC. So by angle side angle congruence rule, triangle AEF and triangle CFD is congruence. So angle 1 equal angle 2, alternate interior angle. Angle 3 equal angle 4, vertically opposite angle. और AF equal CF. AF equal CF. EF is the midpoint of AC. By angle side angle rule, triangle AEF congruence triangle CDF. Hence यहाँ से आएगा EF equal to DF. EF equal DF by corresponding part of congruence triangle CPCT. And AE equal to CD, AB by CPCT. But AE equal to BE because E is the midpoint of AB. Hence CD equal to BE. CD equal to BE. AB is also parallel to CD. Hence CD parallel to BE. In quadrilateral BCDE. In quadrilateral BCDE, side CD parallel to BE and CD equal to BE. Hence BCDE is a parallelogram. Why? Because if in a quadrilateral any pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Therefore ED parallel to BC या EF parallel to BC. Proved. Here another important result is EF equal to half of DF or EF equal to half of BC. Here देखिए EF equal to DF, so EF equal to DF, so F is the midpoint of ED. F is the midpoint of ED and ED parallel to BC. Hence EF is half of ED या EF is half of BC. So this is the proof of theorem number 8.9. The line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Converse of midpoint theorem. This theorem says that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Let's draw a triangle ABC. Triangle A, B, C. E is the midpoint of AB. Line drawn through the midpoint of one side. Midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side. Parallel to another side. So this line L is parallel to third side, or then it bisect AC at F. We have to prove that AF equal to CF या EF is the midpoint of AC. Again देखिए, the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. Triangle ABC है. Line drawn through the midpoint of one side. E is the midpoint of AB. Drawn through the midpoint of AB यानी E से एक लाइन खींची जा रही है L which is parallel to BC. We have to prove that this line L bisect AC at F. Given in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of AB. Line L drawn through E parallel to BC intersect AC at F. We have to prove that AF equal to CF. AF equal to CF. For this, we do some construction. Draw a line parallel to AB through C, which intersect line L at D. Draw a line. Draw a line parallel to AB through C through C which intersect L at D. Let's prove it. In quadrilateral BCDF, BC parallel to ED because line L parallel to BC, hence BC parallel to ED, and CD parallel to AB, therefore CD parallel to BE. So in quadrilateral BCDE, BC parallel to ED and CD parallel to BE, hence BCDE is a parallelogram. In quadrilateral BCDE, BCDE, BC parallel to ED, BC parallel to ED, and CD parallel to BE, hence quadrilateral BCDE is a parallelogram, hence BE equal to CD and BC equal to ED. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Now in triangle AEF and triangle CDF, triangle AEF and CDF, angle 1 equal angle 2 because AB parallel to this line, hence 1 equal to 2, alternate interior angle. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, vertically opposite angle, and side AE equal to side CD because E is the midpoint of AB, so AE equal to BE and BE equal to CD, hence AE equal to CD. Angle 1 equal angle 2, alternate interior angle. Angle 3 equal angle 4, vertically opposite angle, और side AE equal to CD because BE equal AE equal CD. Hence triangle AEF congruence triangle CDF by angle side. Therefore AF equal to CF proved. This is the end of video. Thank you.